Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show it to you the quick and easy way to remember how to determine image properties. Okay, so we are going to use acronym for this. Okay, because our aim is to determine image properties. Okay, so when we sketch diagram, we always start with drawing one line. So kita always start lukis satu line dekat sini yang kita panggil sebagai principal axis. And then in the middle dekat sini kita akan lukis mirror. Okay, so cermin dekat sini can either be convex ataupun concave. So depending on the mirror lah. So if it's convex which is like this. So dia punya F and C adalah dekat belakang cermin. So if it's concave which is like this, F dengan C dia akan jadi dekat depan cermin. Because why? Okay, because we know that convex dia adalah macam ni kan, which is curving outwards. Dia curving outwards. So kita imagine dia sebagai satu sphere dan dekat tengah tu adalah center. So that's why C dia dekat belakang. So in between dia dekat sini, in the middle ni adalah F, which is focal point. And then for concave pula, dia adalah macam ni, which is curving inwards. Dia curving inwards macam ni. So dekat tengah tu will be the center, and then halfway tu adalah F, which is focal point, which is why the C dengan F ni akan ada dekat depan cermin. Okay, so we start with convex first, which is convex macam ni. Okay, because I have mentioned before, convex ni kita hanya ada same properties only. It doesn't matter any position kita letak object tu, it will always form the same image. Okay, because kita always letak objek dekat depan cermin lah. Kita tidak akan letak dekat belakang lah. In your syllabus, it will always depan cermin. So it doesn't matter any position in front of the cermin, we always get the same image formation, which is VUD. Okay, kita gunakan acronym VUD so that kamu senang ingat, which is V adalah virtual, and then U adalah upright, and then D will be diminished. So senang sikit ingat untuk convex because always the same properties, which is VUD. Okay, so next one kita tengok concave. Concave is quite different because it depends on the position of the object. So kalau tengok dekat dalam nota, okay, Miss sudah label dekat sini. Ni number 1 until 5 ni adalah position of the object. Okay, so we start with the first position. Okay, first position dekat sini, which is Miss label dia sebagai number 1. Tapi dia sebenarnya adalah distance to U is larger than R. Okay. Because we know that daripada P, daripada pole ni kepada C, kepada center, tu adalah sebenarnya radius. Okay. And then dekat tengah-tengah, between the radius kat tengah ni, it is actually the length, the focal length. Ni adalah focal length because we know that radius is equal to 2F. Ni formula dia kan. Okay. So now, bila kita letak objek tu dekat sini, which is U, because we know that the distance from the cermin to here will be the value for U kan. So U will be larger than the radius sebab dia akan larger. Ni adalah U, ni adalah radius. Okay. So first position, image yang terbentuk adalah dekat sini, which is why Miss sudah label dia the first one, which is dia actually adalah in between C and F. Okay, so image yang terbentuk ni adalah RID, di mana R will be the real, I is inverted, D is diminished. Okay, so you guys just ingat this one lah, RID, which is in between C and F. Okay, so the second one, apabila kita letak objek ngam-ngam dekat center, which is why U dekat sini is equal to radius. So apabila dia ngam-ngam dekat center, image yang terbentuk adalah ngam-ngam juga dekat center, tetapi dia dekat bawah, which is the image will be inverted. So dekat sini, acronym dia adalah RIS, which is real, inverted, and S adalah same size. So remember, kalau dekat C, dekat center, it will always be the same size. Okay, the next one is when we place the object. Objek ni terletak di antara C dan F, which is why Miss letak macam ni lah. F is smaller than U, smaller than R. Okay, so kalau dekat 3 dekat sini, position number 3, yang terbentuk adalah dekat sini. Okay, which is why kita gunakan akronim RIM. So real, inverted, M is magnify. So kita tengokkan ni size dia. So image yang terbentuk ni is larger than the object. Okay, so next one, if we place the object ngam-ngam dekat F, U is equal to F. So ni adalah U, which is equal to F. So kalau objek ni dekat F, image yang terbentuk adalah dekat sini, which is actually adalah at infinity. Maksudnya at infinity ni tiadalah image yang terbentuk, kita tidak akan nampak image tu. And then last one, if we place the object smaller than F, which is dekat sini lah. Okay, so if it's smaller than F, satu-satunya position kita akan dapat image dekat belakang cermin, which is VUM, virtual, upright and magnified. Okay, so you just remember this diagram lah, so that you can imagine nanti bila kita jawab soalan. Okay, so kalau kamu notice dekat sini, when we have virtual kan, pasangan dia always upright. VUD, sini pun VUM. So virtual pasangan dia always upright. So virtual meaning that it will be upright. And then dekat sini if you see, pasangan real will be inverted. We have RD, RS, RM. So real will be always inverted. We have real image, meaning that it is inverted. So this one pun kamu kena ingat. Virtual ni memang pasangan dia upright, real pasangan dia adalah inverted. And then depending on the question, kadang soalan akan cakap it is upright image. So kalau upright kita tahu dia adalah virtual. And then kalau dia cakap it is a virtual image, meaning that it will be upright. And then based on information ni kan, kita tahu the sign convention dia lah. So kalau upright, HI, which is the height of the image, will be positive. But then the V will be negative. And then kalau inverted pula, HI dia akan jadi negatif sebab dia terbalik kan. Height of the image kalau inverted dia terbalik lah. So that's why kita letak HI tu negatif. And then kalau real pula, value for V dia akan jadi positif. Because kalau real, dia adalah di depan, which is same side with the object. That's why V kita jadi positif. But virtual, kalau virtual image, always remember dia akan formation dia adalah dekat belakang cermin. That's why untuk convex kita cakap VUD, which is dia akan terbentuk dekat sini lah. Sama juga dengan VUM, which is hanya di position number 5 sahaja. Okay, so I really hope this will help you to remember how to determine the image properties. Okay, I guess that's all for this video, and thank you so much. Bye.